So my name is Morrison, and today I'm gonna be unboxing Mibro. So let's do this. Here's the instructions. Okay, we don't need these. This thing has a bunch of buttons. It has gross sounds mode, it has evil face mode, it has face expressions. So, turns out I need a lot of help. I mean, this is pretty hard to open. If you ever get Mibro, comment down below how easy it is to open him. So yeah, let's get the batteries. So I think I need this.
Turns out I do need the instructions.
Hi guys, so my mom just got the batteries in, so let's do this.
Hey bros, it's time to take over the world!
Whoa. It's Mibro, so let's see if you fall for the mighty joke. Mibro, this is just my nice room. Oh, fell. He fell for it, guys. He definitely fell for it. Can we demonstrate again? So, I mean, look at all these buttons. Okay, he fell. Okay, off hand mode. So, okay. How about you talk? Hello? Hello? Hello, Maddie. This is Olga. Hello? This is Swimbot. So, this is awesome, guys. So, let's take out these extra parts. I wonder what they are. Not very complicated, but kind of hard to open. Okay, I got it open.
I'm the baddest bot in the universe. Can I take it?
He's a bad guy? This is a good guy? Okay. Make him be good. He's a bad guy. I should have never got that black one. I wanted my girl to be. There were different colors? Oh no, that was the only one I saw. I should have looked for other ones. Because I don't want my girl to be evil. Wait, I think I know what that's for. He has a sword. He holds stuff. And he has this. He has this mighty gun.
Hey, bro. It's time to hey, bro. It's time to take over. Who the bomb? You the bomb.
Ay, ay, ay. I don't want him to do that. Okay, guys, this is awesome. I love him. Comment down, hashtag like my sister because she brought me this awesome new toy. Madison, the one you see on my YouTube channels. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but there's this little button on it right here.
Silent button.
Okay, guys, this is awesome. I mean, just look at him. And on the commercial, they were like black and I don't know what other color, but this one is this red and gray and black.
Hello, my name is Twinbot. What's your name?
My name is Morrison.
Morrison, nice to meet you. How old are you?
7. This is my sister. What? I can't hear you.
You cannot? Why can't you?
You're not pushing the button?
I am pushing the button.
Are you pushing? Oh, now I can hear you, but... Okay, guys, this is awesome. Okay, make sure you like and subscribe. Okay? And turn on those notifications so you will not miss an upload. Bye!